Hey, I wanted to come on and do an unboxing for some candles I just ordered. So this is from Lula's Candle Company, and I met her at an event that I went to for small business owners that was actually telling us tax tips. So here's a nice card and a sweet message. I'll read that offline. I'm guessing that's the invoice. I love the packaging. So, some abundance candles. Purpose. Strength. Alright, so I got everything unboxed, and so we have 3 large candles, 2 abundance, 1 strength, 4 small candles, 2 abundance, 1 clarity, 1 purpose, 3 room sprays, 2 of them are abundance, 1 is joy. It came with a nice candle wick trimmer, a candle care card, a box of matches, as well as a thank you for supporting card.